805 buckshot. Oh, 806 buckshot. Sidney, you've got to break your banana habit, or that plantation owner is going to kill you.
What am I going to do, Doctor? You know I've been fighting the banana habit for years. What am I going to do?
For 14 years, I've been growing bananas, and I haven't gotten to sell one yet. It's that crazy elephant. Crazy, crazy, crazy.
I'll try to break the habit, Doctor. I'll try. But when I get the smell of a banana, I just don't have any control.
Fight it, Sidney. Your friends will help you. Prove that you're bigger than it is.
Doc's right. I am bigger than the habit. I hereby swear off bananas. As soon as my emergency supply is gone. Congratulations, Sidney. I hear you're kicking the banana habit. Oh, I am, Stanley. I am. As soon as my emergency supply is gone. Oh, I feel so refreshed. So refreshed. Hi, Sidney. Ah! For heaven's sakes, Cleo, you startled me. I'm sorry, Sidney. But we just want you to know that we're proud of what you're doing. And we're going to help you fight the banana habit. Who needs help? Who needs it? You will, Sidney, when the wind comes from the banana plantation.
Oh, no! The wind has shifted toward the jungle. That crazy elephant will be here any minute.
What are we going to do, Stanley? Sidney's beginning to get the twitches again. What's that for? That's so you won't get the scent, Sid. Scent? What scent? Oh, no! Sidney, it's me, Cleo. Stop, Sidney. Try to frighten him out of his trance, Stanley.
Stop, you crazy elephant! Stop! Stop or I'll shoot! Oh, no! There they go again! If this dynamite doesn't stop him, I'm going back to civilization. I know when I'm licked, Sidney. Here, have a stalk on the house.
How nice. You do realize that I have a problem, don't you?
Now all I have to do is set it off. Just to show there's no hard feelings, Sidney, have an after-dinner cigar.
Thanks, Mr. Owner, but I don't smoke. Besides, that last stalk of bananas gave me an awful stomachache. Oh, I've got to get to the doctor.
Wait, Sidney. Have one last banana, chum.
Blah.
Oh, well, the least little tap will set that dynamite off anyhow.
Doctor. Blah. Oh, Doc. No, Doctor.
Here comes that crazy elephant again.
Save me, Doc. My stomach is killing me. Blah.
Whoa, Sidney, you really did it this time. Tell me where it hurts. Tap him harder, Doc.
Pardon me. What a case of heartburn. I'll never touch another banana as long as I live.
Why, Sidney, I believe you mean it this time.
Oh, I do, Doc. I do. I've lost my taste for bananas. What are you eating, Mr. Plantation Owner?
Kumquats, Sidney.
Kumquats?
here we go again.